Hello and welcome to our RPA video channel. Today, I will show you how to install an RPA bot inside our B4 Master Controller. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more RPA related content. Let's get started. So we're inside the B4 Master Controller now, and we're opening here an agent, and you can see the bot and agent group. This is where you can manage all of the machines on which the bots are actually working. So what we do is we simply open this group, and now we can see in this particular group we have one specific agent, and if you look you can see that it is a Windows operating system. And on this Windows machine we will now install a bot. So we do a right click and choose install. Once we click on install, we get the screen pop-up that allows us to select the type of software we want to install. Now the B4 Master Controller can do a lot of different things, and you can install various different functionalities. But for the B4 bot functionality, you want to choose the so-called Virtual Client IMM. Once you've chosen this, just define a process name which can be a name describing the purpose of the bot. Then, don't forget to add the username and password for the Windows session that the bot will use. That's the same username and password that you would use to log on to your Windows session. Also, you can define how long to keep the file history. In this case, we will leave it at 30 days. We can also define a specific date that we want to schedule the installation, but we'll just go ahead and install it by clicking Finish. This may take a few minutes to be completed. And there is the bot, ready to be configured. And this is how you install a bot inside our software. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe for more RPA related videos. You can also comment down below. Thank you for watching.